Hello, this is Fern Kutsun with another video from Eve Guru demoing the much anticipated private markets module. So if we look here on the industry tool, many of you are very familiar with this screen by now. You'll notice that there's something a little bit different. I've got in the buy price, G to sell price, but in the sell price I have what I have called Goon Sell. So what you're looking at here is the Goon market located currently at Constantinople. That's the station, and using G to sell prices, I can see everything profitable that I could build inside of Goonswarm's space and sell on their station at their market. So let me show you how I did this, because this applies to any station that is in the game. So first, we want to go to settings, go to market settings, and you see these three tabs here. So this is for your taxes, you can fill this in. Then you have market drop down. What market dropdown allows you to do is customize your dropdown in the calculator. So let's say I wanted to also include HEC buy in the buy options and also in the sell options, and maybe just a MAR, the buy or sell. Let's put the buy also in the sell option. So I can customize this out. I can go back to the industry tool here, and it's worth noting that if you want the drop down to pop up, you need to close and then reopen the industry calculator. That way you get, there's that HEC buy we talked about, right? On the sell price, there's that MAR buy that we checked. So you can customize what you want showing up here. And so what I have done is I've unchecked all this stuff because I only care about JITA, but maybe you care about MAR. You can check those boxes, and now it's in your drop down. Pretty cool. But we want to put Goons, the Goon market, back on here. So I'm going to go to player-owned markets. I'm going to add a player-owned market, and it's at UALX. I've selected my character. So Goons was gracious enough for me to put in a one-day-old character. I created a character called Zay Dunir, put that character inside the corp so I could get access to their market. And now I'm going to type in, first structure search, and you got to type in at least 3 letters so it can find it. And here is the station. I'm going to click on that. It's going to verify the structure, so now it's doing an EDI, an ESI check between this auth character and the station to make sure everything is fine. When it's done, I'll be able to click OK. So for some of you who are suddenly concerned that, oh my god, Fern is a goon, we knew it all along, don't worry. As soon as this demo is over, this character is getting booted out of Goons. They were just gracious enough to give me access to their market for this video. Ray Zolo and I are not affiliated, nor will ever be affiliated with any nullsec blocks in the game, just because it gets complicated, right? Alright, so now we have the structure, and I can add more structures if I want to, as many as you want. Then we go back to the drop down, and we can see that Constantinople is now an option. Now if I leave it like this and go back to the calculator, right, and like I said before, you want to close it and reopen it so it refreshes. This is way too long, right? Like, is that a buy or a sell? You don't know. So if we go back to the settings here, here's that pencil. It's the same pencil that you have whenever you can change the quantity in runs, right? It means you can edit. So we're going to edit this display, and I'm going to call this, from what you saw earlier, Goon Buy. And this is going to be Goon Sell. Once again, I'll go here, kill that, reopen it, and once you set it once, you're done. And here you go. So now my buy price, I got G to buy, G to sell, Goon buy, Goon sell, and my sell price is G to buy, G to sell, Goon buy, Goon sell. So if I do buy price to say G to sell, and I'm going to sell at the Goon sell price, and I'm building everything here in Teshkot, and I hit update. There you have it. Now when you run it for the first time, it's going to take about a minute and a half. You'll get a pop-up because we have to pull all that metadata from the market at first. But after that, it's, as you can see, it's lightning fast. This also works, as you would imagine, on manufacturing profiles. So because you added the station in your player-owned markets, guess what? You can now go to your manufacturing profiles. I'm going to just select this test one. And you can see I already set up Constantinople, where I'm building some things here and other things here. So it works as you would expect. So now you can even add in all the rigs, the bonuses to that station, and have that all bake into your production ledger and your industry calculator. So this is the demo for the private markets. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you over on our Discord soon.